Welcome to Mindverse, where curiosity meets the universe. Hello, Mindverse. Have you ever wondered how birds fly and travel from place to place? And how also they great at surviving in all kinds of environments, whether it's cold, hot, wet, or dry. Let's learn how birds use their bodies and unique skills to live in different places. Here are the reasons why birds are unique compared to other animals. Number 1. Feathers. All birds have feathers. They use their feathers to fly, stay warm, blend into their environment to hide or hunt, and attract other birds with bright colors or patterns. 2. Beaks. Birds have beaks instead of teeth, and the shape of their beaks depends on what they eat. Here are some examples. Sharp beaks like eagles are used for tearing meat. Flat beaks like ducks are for filtering water and mud. Long, thin beaks specialize in catching and eating insects with their straight and thin beaks. It catches the insects from the small hole. 3. Birds lay eggs. They build nests to protect their eggs from other animals. Birds also sit on their eggs to keep them warm until they hatch. 4. Have wings. Most birds can fly. They use their wings to travel, escape danger, and search for food. Only birds have feathers on their wings for flying. 5. Lightweight bones. Birds have hollow, lightweight bones that help them fly. Their bones are small and light, making flying easier. 6. Warm-blooded. Birds are warm-blooded, just like mammals. This means they can keep a constant body temperature, so they can live in both hot and cold places. It helps them survive, especially in the cold environment. That's why birds are unique compared to other animals. Hey Mindverse, if you're enjoying the content and want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.